What we do is try to understand the genetic basis of aging and why some people seem to age faster than other people. Many people believe that we can't really prolong lifespan beyond, say, 120 years, but we could potentially sustain health. Instead of coming up with a preventive strategy for cancer, and then a different one for heart disease, and a different one for diabetes. If we understood how the aging process contributes to all these diseases, then we could target that aging process and thereby prevent all those diseases simultaneously.
I tend to focus from the brain aspect, and Nick is looking really at the whole body. Together, we make a great team to better understand how you can have a healthy body and a healthy brain for as long as possible. 10 years ago, when we started Mindcrowd, we really just wanted to begin the study of the human brain. And today now, after 375,000 people have joined our study, we have a much better understanding of the various factors in our life that are associated with brain performance.
With City of Hope, I'm involved in a number of research projects looking at the genetic basis of cancer. The hope is by studying cancer, we'll learn something fundamental about what makes someone susceptible to cancer throughout the aging process.
At TGen, as we learn about the genome, we learn elements that affect both the packaging of the genome, and we learn about things that affect resiliency, how it can be adaptively used in different ways. This might explain the difference between chronological time, or there are things related to biological time. These all play a role in healthy aging as we learn about the system which accommodates those changes.
We have a collection of researchers that are going to empower this. The things we're doing with Mindcrowd to study the healthy brain, what Nick Schork is doing to better understand how to improve and increase longevity, looking at things like extracellular vesicles and understanding how those can be leveraged to better understand how we might prevent disease.
What could sustain my health throughout aging wouldn't necessarily sustain someone else's health throughout aging. So we have to really be more precise in how we identify and mete out the interventions that might sustain someone's health. TGen is really focused on making sure that those basic discoveries are translated into actual products.
In the next 5 years, we should be able to make personalized recommendations to each person. Our children and grandchildren will be living much longer and healthier lives than we are today.
We're on the horizon of understanding powerful new ways in which our endowed genome then can be modified. How do we detect disease early? How do we find ways to intervene early? These would be very positive, life-enhancing gestures. An exciting horizon is on the future for us.
Are there factors that contribute to both physical aging and cognitive aging? And if we could find that, that would be not just a home run, that'd be a grand slam.